Apple is all set to unveil its highly anticipated iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max in September 2025, alongside the standard iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air. This year's Pro lineup is rumored to bring groundbreaking design changes and major camera enhancements, making it one of the most exciting Apple launches in recent history. If you're considering an upgrade or simply curious about what's new, this detailed guide covers everything we know so far about Apple's upcoming flagship smartphones based on leaks, rumors, and expert predictions. Calendar Apple iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max expected launch date. According to industry sources, Apple is likely to unveil the iPhone 17 series between September 11th to 13th, 2025. As per past launch trends, pre-orders should go live soon after the official event, with sales beginning within a week or two. Apple's events typically follow a Tuesday launch format, so there's speculation that the grand reveal may happen on September 10th or 11th, giving eager fans the chance to secure their devices in the days that follow. Moneybag Apple iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max price in India expected. Pricing for Apple's Pro lineup usually sees an incremental increase, and this year appears to follow the same pattern. As per leaks, here are the expected prices in India. iPhone 17 Pro, Indian rupee 139,999. iPhone 17 Pro Max, Indian rupee 164,999. However, these prices may vary depending on storage configurations, import taxes, and regional pricing strategies set by Apple. With upgraded features expected, these flagship models will likely be among Apple's most premium offerings yet. Sparkles Apple iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max design and display upgrades. Apple is rumored to be making significant design refinements with the iPhone 17 Pro models. While the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to retain its 6.3-inch display and the Pro Max a larger 6.9-inch screen, there are notable material changes on the horizon. The frame may transition from titanium to aluminum, offering a fresh aesthetic while potentially reducing the overall weight of the device. Additionally, Apple could introduce a half-glass finish on the back, giving the iPhone a sleeker, more premium look. The rear camera module, traditionally a square design, might see a rectangular layout, a move that could redefine the overall visual identity of the Pro lineup. Camera with flash Apple iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max camera improvements. If you love smartphone photography, Apple may be delivering one of its biggest camera upgrades yet. Here's what rumors suggest. Front camera, jumping to a 24MP sensor for crisper selfies and improved video calls. Rear cameras, all three sensors, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, may boast 48MP resolutions. Enhanced features, 8K video recording, dual video mode, and a mechanical aperture to enhance low-light and portrait shots. Apple's commitment to cutting-edge mobile photography could make the iPhone 17 Pro series an ultimate choice for content creators and photography enthusiasts. Wrench Apple iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max expected specs and other features. Performance upgrades are at the heart of every new iPhone release, and the iPhone 17 Pro series is expected to deliver industry-leading speed and efficiency. Processor, powered by Apple's A19 Pro chip, ensuring lightning-fast performance. RAM, likely upgraded to 12GB, making multitasking smoother than ever. Colors, classic choices like black, white, and gold, plus a rumored sky blue variant. Additionally, Apple may introduce battery efficiency improvements, faster charging speeds, and software optimizations to enhance overall user experience. Warning: final thoughts, take rumors with a pinch of salt. While these leaks and speculations create excitement, it's crucial to remember that official details will be confirmed by Apple during the launch event. Until then, fans should treat this information as preliminary insights into what could be Apple's most ambitious iPhone series yet.